Hi, my friends. Mrs. Holbrook, good to see you again. And of course, my sidekick, Baby Echo. Hope everyone's doing well. We are on our fourth day of our videos together. So let's go ahead and start our vowel sounds. Wait a second, you know more sounds than that. Let me find the right poster because I have posters for every grade level. And you know so many sounds. Aha, I want to make sure I have them all. Here we go. Repeat after me. A, apple, a. A, safe, a. A, acorn, a. A, wash, a, squash, a. A, Alaska, a. E, ed, e. E, Pete, e. E, me, e. I, itch, I. I, pine, I. I, hi, I, animal, I, animal, I. I, champion, e. O, octopus, ah. O, home, o. Oh, no, o. You, up, You, mule, you, rule, oo. You, pupil, oo. You, flew, oo. Pupil, you. Why, cry, I. Why, baby, e. Nice job. And next thing we're going to do today is some of our consonants and glued sounds. Repeat after me. Q, U, qua. Do some digraphs. Can you see this one? W, H, what? T, H. Bite that tongue. Good. C, cake. A-L-L, all. I-N-G, ing. I-N-K, ink. U-N-K, unk. Nice job. Okay. I need you to either use your whiteboard or a piece of paper, whatever you prefer. And I would like you to please copy down these 6 words. They are nonsense syllables, so they're not real words, but they could be part of words. Go ahead, take a few moments and copy these down. Okay, if you didn't finish, please pause here and finish, and then press play. Okay, I would like you to start by marking any words that are vowel consonant E. Mark them vowel consonant E. How many words did you have? Yeah, just one. It should look like that. What does the word say? Breep. That is correct. Okay, next direction. I would like you to mark all of the closed syllables. How many words? You should have 2 words. What are they? Louder, I want to hear them. Breck and stom. Okay, and last but not least, I'd like you to mark all of the open syllable words. How many do you have? 3. Can you read them to me? Slee, stow, shry. Okay, read me the whole list. Do it again. This is called fluency practice. We want to do it quickly and accurately. Okay, my friends. Next is we're going to do a full dictation. You can do it on your dry erase board. You might have a dictation packet at home that has paper in it that has the lines that say sounds, review words, sentences. If you have that paper and would prefer to use that, you may. So choose what you're going to write on and get ready for me to say the sound or word. You echo it back. If you need to tap it out, you should. Do whatever you need to make sure you spell it correctly. Okay, we are going to first do 6 prefixes. We've been working on prefixes all week. So if you're using this paper, let's go ahead and set it up so that we do 2 on each line. So write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we'll do them all. Then I'll write them and show you the answers for you to check and fix. The first prefix, repeat after me, un. Number 2, repeat after me, dis. Repeat after me, pre. Hey, baby echo, if you don't know how to spell one of these and you tapped it and you're still stuck, what can you do? What's that? Yes. Baby Echo said, don't forget about your student notebook. Baby Echo, can you fly down and get mine? Ba-dum. You should have it by now. If you don't, they're coming. But if you flip through in the section of spelling rules, you notice the tabs on the side here. There's all these pages that say spelling. This is the area to help you with all of those, and you will find a page all about prefixes. Okay, so if you need to check any of your spelling, do it. It's not cheating. We want you to use these student notebooks as frequently as possible because spelling it wrong is going to teach your brain the wrong way. So every time we do it, we want to do it right. It's kind of like, do any of you play any sports? Every time you do the skill, say you're a softball player, you want every swing to be perfect because if you do it the wrong way, it builds your muscle memory to remember it wrong. So our spelling and our reading is the same way. The more we do it right, the more our brain remembers it the right way. All right, back to our prefixes. We have 3 more. Repeat after me. X. Number 4, write X. Remember, listen for the sounds. X. Number 5, re. And number 6, pro. Okay. Read them out loud with me. Let's go in order. Un, dis, pre, ex, re, pro. Now check your spelling. If you need to fix anything, now is the time to do so. I also want you to pause and check and see if you can remember the meaning to all of these. Un means what? Not or opposite of. Dis means the same thing, not or opposite of. Pre, what does pre mean? Before, good. Ex means what? Good, out of or away from. Re means again, and pro means in favor of, something you want to move forward with. How many of these are closed syllables? 3 of them. What are they? Undis X. Good, and what do we call the other 3? Open syllables, that's correct. Okay, let's go ahead and erase our sounds and get ready for the next part of our dictation activity, which is going to be 2 words. So we can just number the first line 1 and the second line 2. Okay? When we're doing these, if you want to use the syllable frames to help you, you can. Repeat after me. Wait, before you repeat. The word is disinfect. Hold on while I disinfect you. Okay. How many syllables do you hear? Disinfect. 3 syllables. So space it out if you need to and then write it on the line. Tap out any parts. Dis, d, it's, in, fect, k, t. Tap it and write it. Okay, here's your second word. Repeat after me. Reprint. How many syllables do you hear? Reprint. Okay, if you need to use the syllable boxes on top, you can. Reprint. Good. Write it below. Okay, I want you to mark these. I want you to mark the syllables first. Okay, check yours to mine. Make sure you fix anything if you made a mistake. That's the whole point. Fix it and really look at it. And now let's read these words together. Disinfect, reprint. What does disinfect mean? Well, dis means not, so to not infect. Reprint, re means again, so to print it again. All right, my friends, erase your whiteboards. And the last thing is that we'll do 2 sentences. Let's just do one at a time so you have space. Okay, here we go. I'm only going to repeat it twice, but you can always play it back. Get ready to listen and repeat after me. I was instructed by that man to swim in class. Once more. I was instructed by that man to swim in class. Okay, if you need more time, pause it. If you're ready, here's what I want you to do. Get your finger out and read and make sure you have each word as I read it. I was instructed by that man to swim in class. If you're missing a word, pause it and fix it here. Okay, next I want you to check the word instructed. Do you have the in and do you have id? Think about the right way to spell that suffix, id at the end. I want you to check that one of your words has a bonus letter. I want you to check to make sure you started with an uppercase and ended with punctuation. Okay, now check yours to mine. Pause here and fix anything you need to. Last thing that we'll do is scoop it and read it smoothly. I was instructed by that man to swim in class. I was instructed by that man to swim in class. Okay, nice job. I'm going to give you one more sentence and then you're going to have to pause and I'll show you the answer before I run out of time. Can you rewind that video? Can you rewind that video? Erase your boards and write that sentence. Check your spelling. Check that you started with an uppercase and ended with punctuation. Pause and until you're ready, check it with mine. Pause it here and fix your work. And lastly, scoop it and read it. Can you rewind that video? Scoop it and read it smoothly and have a great day.